We all know that many of the people across, many of the Vidwans and intellectuals cannot name 7 or 8 Northeast capitals. And I think it is very important that we also ask the government of India, whosoever is there, to ensure that there is a chapter in the Northeast. Because when I meet some of the most intellectual and wise people, they do not know enough about the Northeast because it is not taught. Our students' study books, curriculum does not have chapters in the Northeast. So I think respect is a two-way street, and if we can speak and come together, it will make sense.
Today, I take this opportunity, first of all, to welcome our leaders from different states of the Northeast. We have with us our Maharaja of Tripura, Shri Pradyut Bikram Manikya, who is the founder of the Tripura Mortha Party. We also have with us Shri Monomo Kikon, who is the former BJP national spokesperson and a former minister of government of Nagaland. We also have on stage with us Mr. Vijay Rankol, who is the president of the Tripura Mortha. We also have with us Sri Daniel Langthasa, who is the founder of the People's Party in Assam. And I'm also joined by our national working president of the NPP, Mr. James Sangma, and our national general secretary, Mr. Bage.